Hey guys, welcome back to Techness Arena, your core channel for all things tech. Today I've got an exciting topic for you. Top 5 data science real-time projects that you should know in 2024. As the field of data science evolves, it's crucial to stay ahead with hands-on, real-world projects. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative insights. Alright, let's jump into the data science projects that are relevant and essential in 2024. Our first project is predictive maintenance for industrial equipment. In industries like manufacturing and logistics, predicting when equipment is likely to fail can save companies substantial costs and downtime. This project involves analyzing sensor data from machinery, creating machine learning models to predict maintenance needs, and implementing a real time monitoring system. Let's discuss some key points here. Sensor data analysis. Dive into sensor data streams to understand patterns and anomalies that precede equipment failures. Machine learning model implementation. Develop predictive models using algorithms like random forest or LSTM to forecast when maintenance is needed. Real time monitoring dashboard. Create a dynamic dashboard that provides real time insights into the health of industrial equipment. Cost savings. Showcase how predictive maintenance can result in cost savings by reducing downtime and preventing unexpected breakdowns. Integration with IoT devices. Illustrate the integration of your solution with IoT devices for seamless real time monitoring. Moving into our second project, fraud detection in financial transactions. With the increasing reliance on digital transactions, the need for robust fraud detection systems has never been higher. This project involves analyzing transaction data, building machine learning models to identify suspicious patterns, and implementing a real time fraud detection system. Let's discuss some key points here. Transaction data analysis. Explore transactional data to identify normal patterns and potential outliers that may indicate fraud. Machine learning model for anomaly detection. Develop a machine learning model, perhaps using techniques like isolation forests or autoencoders to detect fraudulent transactions. Real-time alerts. Showcase the implementation of real-time alerts that trigger when suspicious transactions occur. Precision and recall metrics. Discuss the importance of precision and recall in evaluating the effectiveness of a fraud detection system. Continuous model updating. Highlight the need for continuous model updating to adapt to evolving fraud patterns. Our third project focuses on creating a personalized recommendation system. In the era of information overload, platforms are striving to deliver personalized content to users. This project involves leveraging user behavior data to build recommendation models that provide personalized suggestions in real time. So, what are some key points to consider here? User behavior analysis. Explore user interactions, preferences, and historical data to understand individual user behavior. Collaborative filtering techniques. Implement collaborative filtering algorithms like user based or item based collaborative filtering for personalized recommendations. Real time recommendation engine. Showcase how the recommendation engine operates in real time, adapting to user behavior dynamically. Feedback loop integration. Illustrate the integration of a feedback loop to continuously improve and refine the recommendation algorithms. Diversity and serendipity. Discuss the importance of incorporating diversity and serendipity in recommendation systems to enhance user experience. Project number 4 is sentiment analysis for social media. Understanding public sentiment is crucial for businesses, political entities, and brands. This project involves analyzing social media data, building sentiment analysis models, and creating a real time dashboard to monitor public sentiment. Let's consider some key points here. Social media data collection. Explore methods for collecting and pre-processing social media data from platforms like Twitter or Facebook. Natural language processing techniques. Implement natural language processing techniques to analyze and classify text sentiments. Real-time sentiment dashboard. Showcase the development of a real-time dashboard that displays the current sentiment trends on social media. Impact on decision making. Discuss how insights from sentiment analysis can influence decision making processes for businesses and organizations. Emotion analysis. Highlight the inclusion of emotion analysis for a deeper understanding of the nuances in public sentiment. Last but certainly not least, our fifth project is the autonomous vehicle navigation system. With advancements in autonomous vehicles, creating a robust navigation system is a crucial data science project. This involves processing sensor data from the vehicle, building machine learning models for decision making, and ensuring real time navigation capabilities. Here are some key points to consider while building this project. Sensor fusion. Discuss the integration of data from various sensors such as cameras, LiDAR, and radar for a comprehensive understanding of the vehicle's surroundings. Machine learning for decision making. Showcase the implementation of machine learning algorithms for decision making tasks, including obstacle detection and route planning. Real time navigation interface. Illustrate the real time navigation interface that allows the vehicle to make dynamic decisions based on current conditions. Safety measures. Emphasize the incorporation safety measures such as fail-safes and emergency protocols in the autonomous navigation system. Integration with smart city infrastructure. Discuss the potential integration of autonomous vehicles with smart city infrastructure for optimized traffic flow and safety. And there you have it, guys. The top 5 data science real time projects that are not only interesting but also incredibly relevant in 2024. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below and let me know which projects you are most excited to try. And stay tuned for the next topic.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Techness Arena for more informative insights. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.